Kindly subscribe to the channel for more updates.
Okay, let's begin, What's the problem? Okay, so you're all welcome to this presentation, okay? How was your whatever? How was last night?
It was cool.
That's fine. Okay. So very good. Let's begin by solving these questions, alright? I think this one was trial, right? Yes. So let's see. What's the solution to this? So I think, let me write the equations and maybe right? Yes. So we have what? 2a plus what? 3b is equal to 5. Let's start on equation number what? Then 3a plus what? 5b is equal to what? Let's start on equation what? 2. Now, for a question like this, to be fast, I think it's good to use what? The elimination what? Method. Alright? So, give me a choice. Which variable should I eliminate first? I should eliminate b first. Alright, I'll eliminate b. So now, what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. So now, what will I multiply by 3 to give me 15? 5. And what will I multiply by 5 to give me 15? 3, right? So what it simply means is that I have to multiply equation 1 by what? 5. And equation 2 by what? 3. Alright, so equation 1 by what? 5 gives us what? Yes?
10.
5 times 2a gives us what?
10 plus 15b.
So 5 times 2 is 15, right? 15b. And then 5 times 5 is what?
25.
Let's call this one equation number 3. Let's look at equation 2 times what? 3. Do you get that?
Yes.
Equation 2 times 3, because we said we have to multiply equation 2 by what? By 5, right? Sorry? By 3. Also?
Yes.
Aha. 3 times 3a gives us what?
9.
And 3 times 5b gives us what?
15b.
3 times 15 gives us what?
45.
And now we have equation what? 4. Now do you realize that the coefficients of b in both equation 3 and equation 4 are what? Both what?
Positive.
They are 15, right?
Yes.
So 50, 15. So now what do we do? Since the signs are what? Are the same, what do we do? We subtract. Remember, when the signs are the same, you always what? Subtract. If they are different, you do what? You add. If one is negative and the other one is positive, what do you do? You add. Do you get it?
Yes.
Alright. So, equation 3 minus what?
4.
Equation 4 gives us what? I think let's just write it this way. That will make it easier for us. Then 8 minus 9a gives us what? 8. 15b minus 15b. 25 minus 45 gives us what?
Negative 20.
Negative what?
20.
Negative 20. Alright? So the implies that I'll simply a is equal to what? Negative what?
20.
So how do I find b?
So,
If you know, raise up your hand. How do I find b? How do I find b? Yes, Mary. So you substitute a is equal to negative 20 into what? Equation what? Equation 1 or what? Or 2. Alright? So substituting a is equal to negative 20 into what? Equation what? 1. What would that imply? It becomes what? 2 times what? Plus is equal to 5. 2 times negative 20 gives us what?
negative 4.
And then plus what?
3.
That gives us what? So now, if I'm adding 40 to both sides, or better still, transposing the negative 40 across, what does that give me? 3b is going to be equal to what? 5 plus what? 4. So what will 3b now? 3b will be what? I said 3b is going to be equal to what? 45. So now what do you do? Now, that means b gives us what? 15. So therefore, a is equal to what? And b is equal to what? 50. And that answers what? That particular question. Are you okay? Please, you may write. You may write. Now, let us now go to equation, example what? 2. Example 2, they said find the values of x and y in the following system. Negative 5x plus 2y is equal to what? 5, right?
Yes.
And 3x minus 3y is equal to what?
50.
So I write minus 5x or negative 5x. All this one equation what?
1. 3x minus 3y.
All this one equation what?
2.
Equation 2. Are you okay? Now, the signs are different here, but the concept remains the same, right? So let me ask you a question. Which letter or variable should I eliminate first? Choose any of them we can eliminate. Yes? I should eliminate x, eh? Alright, so what is the LCM? Please, let's ignore the negative sign for now, right? What is the LCM of 5 and 3? What will I multiply by 5 to make it 15? 3. What will I multiply by 3 to make it 15? 5. So that means we multiply equation 1 by 3. And equation 2 by what? 5. Correct. Multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 5. So let's come. Three times negative 5 gives us. Then bring the x, right? Then 3 times 2y gives us what? 6y. And 3 times 5 gives us? Let's first on equation what? Equation 3. Alright? Multiply equation 2 by what? 5 times 3 gives us what? 5 times negative 3 gives us what? Then bring the y. And also? Equal to? 70 what? 5. Right. So 5 times 15 is what? 70 what? 5. Let's put on equation what? Equation 4. Are you okay? So I gave you a principle. If the signs are the same, you always what? Subtract. But if they are different, what do? You add. So now look. You will now have to add equation what? Equation 3 to what? Equation what? 4. Because the signs are what? Different. You see that? This is minus 15 or negative 15 and this is what? Positive what? 15. So once their signs are the same, we can only eliminate x by what? Add them. Do you get it? So now let's add. Are you there? So negative 15x plus 6y is equal to what? Let me write it this way for easy manipulation, right? Now, 15x plus 15 gives us what? 0. Let me write it, right? 6 plus negative 15 gives us what?
Negative
Negative 9. So we have a negative what?
9y.
Bring your equal sign. 15 plus 75 gives us what? 90. Now what do we do? Divide both sides by what? Negative what? 9. So literally, negative y divides negative y, right? Leaving the y there alone. And 90 divided by negative 9 gives us what? Negative 10. We have gotten y. You see that? Now to find x, what do I do? Please give me an advice. An advice. What do we do? So our substitute y is what? End of the equation, right? So which one do you prefer? You want equation 1, right?
Yes.
Please, do you agree with her?
Yes.
Equation 2 is okay, right? You see, I think some of you always hear negative numbers like this as well, but please, it's good you always confront them, right? Any of them you use, you still come up with the same what? Answer. But I think equation 2 seems what? Simpler. Okay? Not by my standard, but by what? Many students what? Standard. You get it? So what do I have? So substituting what? Y is equal to negative 10 into what? Equation 1 or equation 2?
Equation 2.
You want equation 2? Okay, to equation 2. Then that will imply that yes, 3x comes minus 3 times what? Negative 10, right? So in place of y, you put what there? You put negative what? 10 there. Now what does that give us? 3x
Plus 4.
plus what?
30.
Plus 30 equal to 15. So I'll subtract 30 from both sides. Or better still, I'll transpose 30 to what? The right hand side, right? When you are transposed, what happens to the sign? Becomes what? Negative what? So now I imply that 3x is equal to 15 minus 30 gives us negative 15. Now the last step, what do I do? So x is going to be equal to, therefore,
X
x is equal to,
negative 5 and
y is equal to what? Negative 10. Very simple questions. Alright? So please, you can write it down while we proceed, okay? Alright. So consider another set of what? Activities what? Next what? Time, okay? Alright. See you later.